Welcome back to the second episode of our post UTME UNIBEN likely examination questions that you will likely see in your exam. Now, quickly, without wasting time, we'll move straight down to question number 2. Now, the question says conversion of coke to carbon 2 oxide in a furnace is what? Is it exothermic, endothermic, isothermic, or hyperthermic? Now, simple. This reaction is an endothermic reaction because it is absorbed. And remember that coke is carbon. So when you say react, they say conversion of coke to carbon 2 oxide in a furnace, right? It is an endothermic reaction because it is absorbed, right? It is absorbed, right? So that is it. And because it is absorbed, delta H is positive. Quickly, let's move straight to the next question, which says wrought iron is the what? Is it A, the purest form of iron, the most brittle form of iron, the most impure, the form of iron containing no carbon? Now, the correct answer is wrought iron. Wrought iron is the purest form of iron because it contains little carbon impurities, right? Why the most impure form is the cast iron? Now, basically, we have three forms of iron, right? We have the wrought iron, we have the cast iron, and so on, right? So this is what we should understand. Straight away to other question without wasting time. And the question says iron is paramagnetic because what? And these are your options. Either its orbitals have few unpaired electrons, or its orbitals have only paired electrons, or iron has large number of unpaired electrons, or it is ferromagnetic. Simple. Now, for an element to be paramagnetic, it simply means it constitutes the presence of unpaired electrons, and not only just unpaired electrons, but a large number of unpaired electrons. That makes the answer to be C. Why? For an ion to be diamagnetic, it means it constitutes a presence of more paired electrons. And the other question says corrosion in iron is called what? Is it rusting, tarnishing, galvanization, or dimerization? The correct answer is rusting. Rusting is the other name of corrosion. Is that understood? So we'll move straight away to the next question here, which says zinc is not regarded as a transition melter even though it is a d block element because these are your options. It has no electrons in 3d orbital, it has all 3d orbitals completely filled, it blends with other neighboring elements, or it does not form complex ion. Now take note, one of the ways to know a transition melter is the ability to have unpaired electrons, right, or partially filled d orbitals. Now, if you look at in the case of zinc electronic configuration is argon 4s2 3d10. So its d orbital is completely filled up, which is not an attribute of transition elements. So therefore, the correct answer is B, right? So this is another question again. Which one is the most common iron ore? The correct answer is hematite. Even though we have magnetite, right? Carnallite is not part of it. Only dolomite. The correct answer is what now? Hematite. So all these are few questions you should take note of for your post UTME. I will be back with you in a moment. Do well to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, and God bless you.